What is up, everyone? I'm here to teach you how to make this raw, gluten-free, vegan cookie dough recipe that you will become obsessed with, and you don't even need to bake it. It is all done in a mixing bowl. That's it. Let's get started. To a bowl, add in 1 banana. Now add in 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, a half cup of almond butter or any nut butter of your choice, a 1/4 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips, a 1/3 cup of almond flour, and then 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Now go ahead and just mix it on a medium speed, or if you're using your hands, just go ahead and whisk it together until all that banana is mashed up and everything turns to a super smooth cookie batter. It should look super smooth just like this. Now go ahead and grab a dish of any kind and just spread your cookie batter out so it's nice and even and flat on all angles. And then you're going to put it into your freezer for at least 55 minutes. And after it's done in the freezer, go ahead, use a spoon, scrape it up, enjoy it. Eat this raw cookie batter that is healthy and delicious and tasty, and you will be obsessed. And if you guys have any questions, reach me on Instagram or our Facebook fan page, and I'll be so glad to answer. And if you make this raw cookie dough batter, let me know what you did. Tag Meet the Presleys on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll be so happy to see what you did, and I might even shout it out in a vlog video. Now have a lovely day, everyone, and enjoy this recipe and go get to it and make it.